So want to know how to edit your group name in Flatmate? This video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do that in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply head towards identify.flatmate.org. So once you're on that, you should be provided with this interface right here. What you need to do is, so on the top left side, you should be seeing Explore right here. And right when you hover on this Explore, you should be seeing Groups right here. So you can just simply select it. Now, once you have selected Groups, here you should be given with options like these right here. So right beside Create Group, you should be seeing My Group on the right side. So you can just simply select it. Now, once you have selected Groups, you should be seeing your groups that you have joined. So simply select the group that you have created, and then here you can see Edit. Just simply select it. Now you can just simply edit your name just like this right here, and you can just simply change it to anything that you like. Once that is done, you can just simply select Save, and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.